Hello and welcome to the video. Today we'll be trying this. Is a Woolworths brand Australian beef microwave beef pie. Simply pop in the microwave and enjoy. It's quick, ready done in 2 minutes 30 seconds, 175 grams. Has some information in the back. So I'll put this on a plate in the microwave and I'll bring it back and we can try, see what it's like. So here's the pie. So I just took it out of the microwave. I've tried to replicate the serving suggestions as close as I could. Bunch of tomato sauce in the centre. It's quite hot. Seems a bit soft, probably because it's microwaved, and I guess that's how bread sort of gets soggy on the outside. So I'll try tasting some, see what it looks like. The pastry just seems a bit hard, so not really hard, more like chewy, I would say. Because you normally get it, you can get it like rock hard if you cook a pie in the oven too long. But it's more like a just hard to chew through. Still haven't got any actual meat, just the actual pastry. Okay, I'll get some now. So I've had some of the meat just then. Seems relatively generic, just nothing special, just meat pie, about what you get in any other pie. Let's try some sauce. Nothing special, doesn't taste bad, just a sort of average sort of level meat pie. So I guess that's it for this video. If you like this video, like the video, comment down below your thoughts and any future videos and subscribe so you don't miss any videos like this in the future.